and welcome to a new video. So if you follow me on Instagram, you have seen and heard that I want to sell some of my props, some of my backdrops, some of my wrap, some of my headbands. I just want to organize, clean up the studio a little bit. So I thought it would be fun to have a video where I show the items. So I turn them around, you can see all sides. And then I will open a special Facebook group where I will actually sell the items. That's the plan for now. If it changes, it'll be in the description area of the video. Also, the Facebook group will be there. Maybe it'll be an Instagram account, I don't know. But something where you can join and place your bid. And then I think the bids will start at €1. And within 24 hours, people can place their bid. Or I would just say stop if I think the price is going up too fast. And then that person who got it before I said stop will buy it. Of course, shipping will be added to it. Not all items can be shipped to all countries, I think, but yeah, let's just see how far we'll get. So first I'm going to set up, well, first I have a cake smash session here. I have 3 sessions today, 2 cake smashes and a newborn. So I'm kind of showing you the items in between my sessions. So first it's going to be a cake smash session. Maybe I can already show you the first items. Clients can get here any minute. It's 10 and the session starts at 10. So a very lovely cake. And I added the pink flowers for now. I think it looks really cute. So here you see the newborn area, which is a little bit messy right now. Here I'm trying to collect stuff without the sunglasses and the Oliver Twist book. I might paint this bed white today with some chalk paint, and then I might keep it. I don't know yet. I have some more items and I'm just going to collect them here. The only downside is that some products are really heavy. So they're going to be harder to ship. But then people from the Netherlands and Belgium, I don't know, they can come and pick it up. Okay, so as long as the clients are not here yet, I can already show you some items. So here I have a wooden bowl basket. As reference, I'm going to give you my arm size. So my arm doesn't completely fit in. For a newborn to lie on his back, I would have my arm completely fit in there, but maybe you can post a baby like this on the edge, have it upside down as a little stool to sit on, have a baby sit in it like a sitter, have some soft blankets inside. So anyway, so we've got item number 1. Item number 2, this is actually a really cool one. It's antique, and they told me it's like an olive bucket. It's not super heavy, so I can probably pack this one pretty well. There's like a mark inside. It's wood. It's great for sitter sessions because it won't tip over very easily. Of course, you can always put weights in it. Soft blankets inside. You can also use it for a newborn shoot, like for twins to lie on their back. So item number 2. Okay. So item number 3 is actually really heavy. It's like part of a tree. It's real wood, and it's heavy, and it's beautiful. And you can have a baby, a newborn pose, head on hands, maybe wrapped, lying on their side. They can photo from the top, lying on their back. So yeah, item number 3. It's heavy, so I probably cannot ship this one. When I post the item, I will see if it's a pickup product or a shipping product. So yeah, item number 3. I have an off-white Flokati. It's at home right now. So I will add in a separate shot of me showing the Flokati. So yeah, it's off-white. It's been used. It's been like washed in the snow. I have a separate video about that. It's still good to use. It's from newbornprops.eu if I remember correctly. And yeah, I'm selling that one. So that will be item number 4. So this is my previous Flokati. So here it is. This is the outside. Here you see the inside. Yeah, it might need like a little bit more washing, just peeling out stuff that is not good anymore. But it's an original Flokati from Greece, so it's real sheep wool. I'm gonna fold it back up, and I'll put the measurements in the photos. Item number 5, just a very simple basket. Don't go too high for this one, but it's still very beautiful with the handles. It's lightweight. You can post twins in here because it's really big. It's way bigger than my arm. For a sitter session, great. So this will be item number 5. So here we have Item number 6, which is a bed made of wood. It's heavy. This is the bottom, the back, the front. It's heavy wood. In Dutch we call it stijgerhout. And it's kind of like a gray wash. It's pretty smooth, no splinters, but always be careful. Maybe smoothen it a little bit extra, cover it with blankets. Sitters can sit on it, newborns can lie on it. It's heavy, so this will be probably be a non-shipping product. So that was item number 6, I think. I'm losing count. I'll just place in the screen the item number. What do Papa now?
Dani, kangaroo.
Yeah. Okay, so I just finished the cake smash and I've already set up the second one. Next item, just a very simple basket. I got like 4 of these. One I painted mint green, one I painted yellow. They're very easy to paint with the chalk paint. And one I'm keeping and I'm gonna paint it like dusty pink with chalk paint. And they're great for sitter sessions. So yeah, this is the item. It's just very simple basket, but maybe in your country they don't sell them, and then this might be an option to buy them from me. Such a fun decor, and yeah, I could use that one again because both parents requested it. But yeah, here it's a little bit messy, but you see the green one that I use all the time, and it's very nice. And so yeah, this basket is actually this one as well, so you can also use it without paint for the baby to be posed on. Here you see it as well, same basket, and one more, same basket. So yeah, it's not super special, but it works. Okay, so next item, I'm actually going to insert a clip because I'm talking about my flexibars. They're this like mechanism to make your backdrop look smooth when you're using a beanbag. Okay, so there will be more available to buy probably, but I don't know yet which items because I'm still sorting them out. But I already do want to upload this video, and then in the meantime keep looking for things. Like I might have some like kick smash banners as well, maybe some sitter outfits, like diaper covers, I don't know. Anyway, just to show you, here I have the carrying case of the flexibar. Like here it is opened. It does have the original instructions still from Shoot Baby. Here it has the 2 like bottoms. So if you zip it open, these ones are the heavy parts actually. So you have like the feet of the flexibar, and then you like screw it on there. So it's a beautiful carrying case. So you have the 2 bottoms of the flexibar, and then the actual bars on both sides, on the inside. So you fold it double and you zip it closed, so you can also take it with you to customers. So this is the flexibars that's for sale. So I'm selling my flexibars because I use the Paloma shell and I don't need both systems. So it's a great system. It has served me well over many years. You can clip your backdrop wherever you want. You can make it as steep or as flat as you like, and then you can you have a very smooth backdrop. So that was the next item. Then another item is like a little wooden stand where you can display your headbands. It's a stand for headbands. I have too many headbands now, so I'm not using it anymore, but it's like a display and it's really pretty. So it's like whitewashed wood, and you can like tie your headbands on here. I might have some rocking horses as well available. I also have 2 little heaters. They're not that special, so don't go up too high in price, but maybe in your country they're pretty hard to get, and then maybe I can ship one of these to you. So the bits are starting at €1 each, but you do pay for your own shipping. So yeah, 2 little heaters. Make sure that the heater is never too close to the baby, that you're kind of like in between the heater and the baby, so that the baby doesn't get too hot. Because I mean, you can use it to heat up your space and then place it a little bit further away from the baby, but don't get it too close to the baby. Here I have another like basket filler. I might add this to a package. It's like braided merino wool. So yeah. So yeah, the instructions as to where I'm selling will be in the screen right now. So go over there, join, and then I will put the link as well in the description, and then the actual date and time when I will start selling. So yeah, some items are just pickup items, other ones can be shipped. For example, the flexibars, they're really heavy, but I mean, they were shipped to me from England, so I might be able to ship them. But I'll put that underneath the photo when I'm actually posting them for sale. So these were just a few highlighted items. I might have some backdrops as well, either vinyl or some leftover paper on a roll, because I used paper in the past. I might have like a tippy tent as well. I still have to look into it a little bit. Of course, I could have done a local sale or donated the items. But I think it's kind of cool to have this online community where we encourage each other and motivate each other and learn from each other. And maybe in your country some products are not available, and then you can buy them in my PROP DESTASH. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a lovely day, and yeah, I'm really curious how this sale will go. I have no idea, but this is like a little experiment. I might do it more often if it works. I might never do it again if it's a complete mess and a complete failure, but we'll see. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Mag je een mooi taartje eten? Ham, nam, nam. Dat ziet er lekker uit.